Today we will talk about one-way ANOVA, and for doing the ANOVA test I will use the SPSS software. As you can see in the SPSS there are two columns, one column on the left while the other column on the right. The left column carries the data about the gender, male and female, while the right column carries the mean data about the general health questionnaire. A general health questionnaire is a 12-item questionnaire which assesses the three mental health symptoms, that is depression, anxiety, and social dysfunction. So here is the hypothetical data on of more than 600 sample. So I'm going to run the one-way ANOVA test in order to determine why there is a significant differences between the mean data of the male and the mean data of the female on the three symptoms of mental health, that is anxiety, depression, and social dysfunction. As you know that ANOVA is a test which is used to compare the means of two or more than two samples, and using this F distribution. Normally the SPSS uses the F distribution. So the ANOVA can tell you that why the two means are statistically different from each other. So in order to calculate the ANOVA, I click on Analyze, and then I go to Compare Means, and then I click on the one-way ANOVA. So here you can see the gender and the GHQ mean scores. So the gender is entered into the factor while the GHQ mean score is entered into the dependent list. Then I click on the option, and I click on the descriptive, and I click on the homogeneity test. There are some other options, but if you don't need these options, you don't need to click it, because those who are not good in statistics might get confused. So here I just need these two types of information, that is the descriptive statistics and the test of homogeneity. So after clicking this, I click on the continue, and then I click on the OK. The SPSS provides output data in shape of tables and figures. So here we don't have any figures, we have just tables, and these three tables, one is the descriptive statistic table, other is the homogeneity test table, and the third is the ANOVA. Here you can see the mean data of general health is divided into gender wise male and female, and you can see the female mean is much higher as compared to the male mean, and the test of homogeneity showed that this difference is significant at zero point 0.00 level. Similarly, the ANOVA test, the F distribution also showed that this difference is significant at zero point 0.00 level. It means that the sample containing male and female respondents are having a variation in their level of symptom of depression, anxiety, and social dysfunction. And this variance or the differences is significant at zero point 0.00 level. So, okay, this was about the ANOVA. In my other videos, I will tell you the other form of ANOVA, that is MANOVA and two-way ANOVA. So that's all for the one-way ANOVA.